and we are going to work on our targeted touch into the corner, and we're going to see how we do. This is our second session, so let's go. Hi, baby. I'm going to swing the leash around behind me. Hold it there. Come here, baby. Hi. Dot. We should touch. Dot. We should touch. Yes.
Step your feet back.
Touch. Yes. Very good. Touch. Yes. Very good. Touch. Whoops. Did you touch? Yes. Touch. Yes. Touch. Yes. Touch. Yes. Touch. Yes. Touch. Yes. Touch. Yes. Okay. Ta-da. All right, I'm going to reload here. Actually, what I'm doing is I'm holding the majority of my cookies in the hand that's hanging onto the leash, and I'm reaching back and getting a second kibble. Touch. Yes. Touch. Yes. Touch. Yes. Touch. Yes. Touch. Try again. Touch. That's a paw touch. I don't want a paw touch. Come here. Come here. Where's my touch? Oh, touch. Yes.
Step back.
Touch. Here. Touch. Touch. It's not what I want. I don't want a paw touch.
Try again.
Yes. Yes. Touch. Yes. Okay. A few more kibble. Come here, baby. Whoop. Ta-da. I'm done. Here we go. Come here. Touch. Try again. Touch. Yes. Touch. Yes. Touch. Try again. Yes. Touch. I don't want the paw touch. Come here. Let's try again. Ta-da. Come here, baby. Touch. Yes. Touch. Yes. Touch. Yes. Touch. Yes. Okay. Very good. Ta-da. Ta-da. Here we go. Here we go. Touch. Yes. Touch. Yes. Touch. Yes. Touch. Yes. Yes. Touch. Yes. Touch. Yes. Touch. Yes. Okay. Very good. Okay, we've worked on the targeted touch in the corner on the right-hand side. You'll want to repeat the left-hand side as well. So just turn it around and bring the target from the other direction. And keep working. And make sure you're getting a nose touch instead of the paw touch. So that's it for today.